Hello students, welcome back. I hope you all are fine. Students, yesterday we did exercise A and exercise B of this chapter, and I told you about contracted form, and I said you to learn these forms also. I hope you would have learned this. So students, without wasting time, we are going to start our next exercises, that is exercise C and D. First, we will see exercise C. Arrange the words to make negative sentences. Students, here you have been given some sentences and you are to arrange the words in each sentence to make the sentence meaningful and to make negative sentences. Means in each sentence you have been given jumbled words and you are to arrange the words to make sentence negative and meaningful. For example, let's start with the first point. I admission new not school apply to a for did. Students, is this sentence giving us proper meaning? Do you think this sentence is giving us proper meaning? No? So how can you write the sentence to make it meaningful? What will you write? You can just make the relation among the words to make it meaningful. Try to make out the relation between the among the words to make it meaningful. What will you write? Just think. So you will write, I did not apply for admission to a new school. मतलब मैंने new school में admission के लिए apply नहीं किया था. We are making here negative sentence and we have arranged the words to make the sentence meaningful. So second point is, for I was the prepared not test. Here you can make the relation between the words like prepared, test. How can you write the how can you write the sentence to make it meaningful? You will write, I was not prepared for the test. मैं टेस्ट के लिए प्रिपेयर नहीं था. Third one is, concert did lot choir not school for our practice the. You have been given concert in the sentence, choir, school, practice, not for to make the sentence negative. So how will you write the sentence to make meaningful sentence? You will write, our choir did not practice a lot for the school concert. Students, choir means a group of musician. तो यहाँ पे कहना है कि हमारा जो म्यूजिशियंस का ग्रुप था उन्होंने स्कूल कॉन्सर्ट मतलब स्कूल प्रोग्राम के लिए ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस नहीं की थी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, like this you can make the sentence meaningful by trying to find out the relation among the words. Fourth sentence, all captain the not school by love was. Here you have been given captain, school, loved, not. First you have to make the negative sentence, so you can just think the negative sentence in your mind. You will write, the school captain was not loved by all. Fifth sentence, grow become up will when I not I an astronaut. How will you write? You will write, I will not become an astronaut when I will grow up. जब मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा तो मैं एस्ट्रोनॉट नहीं बनूंगा. स्टूडेंट्स, एस्ट्रोनॉट मीन्स द पर्सन हु गोज इन स्पेस, जो स्पेस में जाते हैं, अंतरिक्ष यात्री जिन्हें हम कहते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, क्लियर टू यू? आफ्टर दैट सिक्स सेंटेंस, आई ईटिंग लाइक नॉट कैरेट बीन्स जू एंड. Here students, you have been given two vegetables, carrots, beans and eating, not. So what will you write to make it meaningful? You will write, I do not like eating carrot and beans. मुझे कैरेट और बीन्स खाना पसंद नहीं है, मतलब गाजर और फलियां खाना पसंद नहीं है. I do not like. 7, we will go vacation to summer during station the not. How will you arrange it? Here you have been given hill, vacation, summer, station. So you will write, we will not go to a hill station during the समर वेकेशन, हम समर वेकेशन में हिल स्टेशन पर नहीं जाएंगे। 8th, फॉर नॉन आई हैव हर ईयर्स मैनी नॉट। हाउ विल यू राइट इट? जस्ट ट्राई। फॉर नॉन आई हैव हर ईयर्स मैनी नॉट। यू विल राइट आई हैव नॉट नॉन हर फॉर मैनी ईयर्स। मैं उसे कई सालों से नहीं जानता हूँ। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ सी एक्सरसाइज डी। Fill in the blanks with the contracted negative forms of the verb be and have. Students, यहाँ पर अब आपको contracted forms fill करने हैं but in the negative form. Not के साथ आपको contracted forms को fill करना है। और verbs कौन सी यूज़ करनी है? be and have. स्टूडेंट्स, बी में आपको हेल्पिंग वर्ब, बी का मतलब होता है हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स, और यहाँ पर आपको प्रेजेंट टेंस की जो से हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स है वो यूज़ करनी है, लाइक प्रेजेंट सिंपल, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट या फिर हैव। फॉर टू फिल दिस वर्ब्स इन द सेंटेंसेस, फर्स्ट यू आर टू आइडेंटिफाई द सब्जेक्ट वेदर इट इज़ सिंगुलर और प्लूरल। आपको यह देखना है कि सब्जेक्ट जो है सिंगुलर है या प्लूरल है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो है कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म में, कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड नेगेटिव फॉर्म में यूज़ करनी है। लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस। जैक एंड जिल डैश फॉलन डाउन द हिल। अब पहले सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट देखो क्या है, यहाँ पर सिंगुलर है या प्लूरल है। एज यू नो अबाउट द सिंगुलर और प्लूरल, सिंगुलर मीन्स ओनली वन, प्लूरल मीन्स मोर देन वन। हियर 2 persons आर देयर, सो वी विल यूज जैक एंड जिल हैवंट फॉलन डाउन द hill. Haven't is the short form of have not. So Jack and Jill haven't fallen down the hill. Second, this dash my book. Here subject is singular. This isn't my book. Isn't is the short form of is not. This is not my book. This isn't my book, because you are to use contracted negative form. Third, my mother and father dash happy with my behavior. Here 2 persons are there, mother and father, so the subject is plural. What will you use? You will use aren't. My mother and father aren't happy with my behavior. Aren't is the short form of are not. Fourth, I haven't been working hard. We use have with I, so I haven't been working hard. Haven't is the short form of have not. Fifth, my brother dash here today. My brother is singular or plural? Singular, because we have only one brother. My brother isn't here today. Isn't is the short form of is not. Again subject is I, so we will put haven't. I haven't gone to school today. Haven't is the short form of have not. 7, they dash switched on the lights. Subject is plural. They haven't switched on the lights. Okay students. 8th, my father dash boarded the plane yet. My father singular. My father hasn't boarded the plane yet. Hasn't is the short form of has not. मेरे फादर अभी तक प्लेन पर नहीं चढ़े हैं. So students, both the exercises are clear to you. Now students, we have done all the exercise of this chapter. So you are to revise these exercises. Take care students. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe.